Today we're going to show you how to make Sock Poi. And this is what Sock Poi looks like. They're swinging fun things. And it's called Sock Poi because it basically looks like a sock that swings around. So, Dawn, let me show you how to, let me walk you through the steps to making Sock Poi.
Sounds good.
First, what you want to do is you want to get some socks. Now, the best socks are...
I have a nice long one. Is this going to work?
Oh, yeah, Stinky Pinky. That's going to be a good one.
Hey,
I'm just saying. Now, it's good to get a long, tube sock, like a straight sock. And you need a tennis ball for this. Now, you could also use a bean bag, or you could take a little baggie and put some sand in there. That'll work, too. Now, what you want to do is you want to take the...
Wait, let me guess. This one looks difficult.
Okay,
but I think I got it.
Try to work it out.
You're just going to stick the tennis ball?
Yeah.
I'm going to slide it down.
All the way down, yeah. And whoa, look at that.
Sock Poi.
Sock Poi.
And it works just the same. And then you can get your matching pair of socks.
Yeah.
And make two. I don't have a lot of room here.
Holy cow. This is a great thing to do with your lost socks.
And this is also a great toy. If you have nice long socks, go outside. Because these are going to do some damage. You want to make sure you're not near people or breakable things. So have fun, plus swinging your Sock Poi.